Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to talk about a funnel hacking secret masterclass that and my learning from this masterclass. So this is the masterclass that done by Russell Brunson web class. Uh, I am going to share all those detail about this class. But what my learning from this masterclass? So firstly, he share funnel hacking. So what is the funnel hacking meaning of the funnel? So funnel hacking is the thing that you you are strategically. Funnel hacking is the art or strategy to spyfoo, to investigate all those cells, investigate all those way of selling about your competitor and clone. With this strategy, you apply all those strategies in your framework, in your funnels. So uh, you hack all those upsell, downsell, or OTO, all those information from your competitor, and then you apply all those in your funnel, in your framework, in your business method to sell your product. So firstly, he share, if you it is the quote by Russell Brunson. So Tony Robbins, if you want to achieve success, all you need to do is find a way to model those who have already succeeded. Tony Robbins. So if you want to achieve success, find out all those people and model all those who are already succeeded. So you don't need to restart all those process. You just follow and model all those, and then apply how they are doing in their funnel, in their business, in their framework. So you apply same thing in your framework, in your method. So first you all learn about how you apply successful people, follow successful people, and then he share her his how he's uh, spyfoo a diet supplement of his competitor. He share how he spyfoo or steal and his diet supplement from his competitor, how his competitor sell 500 bottles of diets in a day. So you learn diet, this funnel hacking secret, it's called a funnel hacking. So how he purchase all those upsell downsell pages, he see how he sell the his competitor sell this product, how his competitor sell on next page what his competitor selling going to sell this product. So you learn all those process in this class. Then the third is a funnel cloning. Funnel cloning is the meaning is that how you design a funnel within a 10 minutes, or funnel designing and funnel you don't need to be creative. You don't need to be smart in technical field. You don't need to be an engineer, software developer, like that. So how you design all those your funnel within the 10 minutes, or that's all. Then he share about the traffic. The one of the best information I learned about traffic in this web class is he shared the best of best golden information in this web class about traffic. So traffic is the one thing that is very essential in any business. If you don't have a traffic, then you have a funnel, there is no sense, because without traffic you don't generate sale. So he shared the best information about the traffic. And then a fifth his things here about how you create irresistible offer. The irresistible offer is the thing that is very important to sell your product. If you create an irresistible offer and then pitch the product, worth is product worth with irresistible offer worth. So there is so much different. How you learn about the offer creation in this web class. So how you create, so all those learning are available in this web class. So first you learn, find out the success model, successful people. Then you learn how funnel hacking, how he hack his funnel. Then you learn about the funnel cloning. Then you learn about the traffic strategies. And then you learn about the irresistible offer. So there is so much learning in this master web class. It is a web class that is 1 hour 30 minutes on total 90 minutes web class webinar that is done by Russell Brunson. And you get so much valuable information in this web class. So I definitely recommended you to join this web class. And if you want to join this web class, type info in the comment box, so I share the link with you about this web class. So if you want to join this, then type comment info in the comment section. So I hope you like all those information I share in this video. And if you watching it live, so please hashtag live, and watching replay, so please hashtag replay. So thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned with me. And want this link, so type info in the chat box comment section. Thank you so much.